You're like, yo, who you calling? Who you calling, girl?
I am texting Q Huang.
And what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say?
Head into the condo now. He's fucking heading into the condo now. Well, guess what, Q Huang? Your car got towed.
What's he gonna say?
He's gonna say, Ellie Kim,
By the way,
it's okay, cause you are the queen, biatch.
The queen what?
Biatch! Dude, you were so recording me, and I'm still playing this on purpose.
You just
It's your turn to take a shot.
you have been
Caught red-handed, not taking the shot.
Troy.
By the way, this shot is old. It's an old shot.
That's like 2 shots ago, because that shot was.
No, it was because we didn't have any Jameson left, and you still have some magically. Take it.
I'll do it. All right.
Yeah, because I put you on camera, cocksucker.
That fucking.
I didn't lose your camera. I just dropped it down my tits.
Because
No, it's still recording, which
I
means
just want to know it's okay.
take the shot.
Really?
I want to write
I
films
fucking love
because
the
he
Emmy
writes
and
the
the
rest of it.
You loved it. Look at your face.
I loved it.
Tell me how happy you
love it.
are. Tell me how happy you are.
I'm so happy. And like, this is the best day of my life.
I have 7 films.
I care so much about what's going on right now. I mean, we're moving forward. Like, it's just such a good time to be alive. You know, technology. I got freaking whiskey in my cheek.
Sarah Palin is gonna be the vice president,
We're gonna have a girl vice president. I mean, like, she's gonna like.
and she's a twat.
She's like the mother of my life. I mean, I love her, and I love everything.
Everything is awesome.
Bottle all you want.
And I love Red Stripe. That's what it's all about.
Okay, how do you push stop?
Yeah, freaking.
Oh, I turned it upside down. Oh, the whole thing's upside down. Hey, wait, no, we're still recording, which is awesome. The whole thing is upside down, because I'm smart.
You gotta hit plus.